So I am retiring the Z. For a while now, I've been having a lot of problems with the Z. Sometimes it breaks down while I'm driving it. The transmission is absolute crap. Like, it'll lock me out of gears, and it's not one consistently. It's really a gamble when I'm driving, and it's really, really annoying. And today, I was driving it just casually, wasn't pushing it at all, and it broke down twice. And I was still doing the same thing, locking me out of gears, and all that. And the brakes started to give out. And that was kind of scary, because I was on a downhill, and the brakes I was fully down on the brakes, and just slowly coming to a stop. It wasn't like it should, where if you step on the brakes. I don't think I'll be driving this car anytime soon until I'm ready to put in the RB26. But I guess that does mean I'm gonna work harder on putting the RB26 in the 240Z, because I have no excuse now not to do it. Before, I was kind of like hesitant because I still wanted to drive it and learn more about the car, but now I see it's time. It's time to strip it and get everything done. And I think that's for the best anyway, because it's gonna be awesome. Although it's not completely dead yet, it's going to die very soon in the future. This car has over 300,000 miles on it, like 360 something thousand miles on it. Engine isn't original, but I'm pretty sure the transmission is, because it's what's giving me the most problems. I guess this kind of marks the next step. I'm finally giving up on what's left of this car, and I'm ready to put all my effort into making it what I want it. And hopefully, I'm hoping to have this done by next year. I want to have it done by March of next year. So I'm giving myself pretty much a year to work on this and to get it done. And I'm going to be contacting some really cool people who can hopefully help me out with this and make it exactly how I want it. But I don't think I ever actually explained my intentions with this car. It's going to be a show car. I want it to be like a show car and just a driving car, something I can take down PCH and just cruise. And there's a lot to it that I'm not telling you guys because I want to keep it a secret. Obviously, I'm having the RB26 in there, but I haven't told you like what power I want to make out of it, or I don't think I have. I haven't told you what I'm going to do with the body, other than that I'm going to paint it, or like suspension setup or anything like that. So you guys can make all the assumptions you want. I'd love to see like what you think I'm going to do with it if you comment below. Anybody who knows, because I've told a few people, don't tell. Shh. Bad. So I guess this is a curse and a blessing, because it means I'll finally start really, really getting into it, but it also means I can't drive it until it's done. So there's that. And it's really a shame, because I do love driving it. It's such an experience to drive, but there's just too much wrong with it right now to justify risking my own life and a lot of money just to get a few more hours of driving out of it. So I think that's kind of my motivation to get it done. So yeah, it sucks, but it only means great things. Only means better things to come. I also don't think I ever told you guys what I named my car. So if you know Oren, he has the white FRS that I don't know if I've ever shown it in a video. I'll put a picture right here. He has named his car Monica. I think it's kind of a fun thing to name your car. It doesn't have to be a girl's name, even though that's kind of like the tradition. But what I've named my car is Zelda. I think that works really well with it being a Z. And for people who don't know, I'm a pretty big gamer, and my favorite game series is The Legend of Zelda. So I had to go with that. I think it fits the car. Because you've never been properly introduced, meet Zelda, my Datsun 240Z, which will soon have a heart of an RB26. So that's exciting. I've never named a car before. My Challenger, I just call the Challenger. So I've never named a car before, so calling it Zelda is really cool, because it really means I have my project car, and that's exciting. Now, this doesn't have anything to do with cars, but I'm a film major. I go to school to learn about film. I'm in the middle of working on a short film, and I wanted to show you guys a little clip, almost like a trailer for that short film, just because I think you guys would find it very interesting, or I hope you would. Who knows, you might not care at all. But here's the intro/trailer to that short film, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed that bit of cinematic fun that I did. I had a lot of fun filming that. I have some great actors working with us, a great crew. So I'm excited to see the finished product when we're done shooting. And I'll make sure to share it with you guys, because I'm sure some of you at least will want to see it. If you guys, I don't want to say if you guys enjoyed this video, because it wasn't much of a video. I just told you that my Z is broken. So if you guys like the Z, leave a like and subscribe. If you guys have any suggestions for anything I should do, be that video or car related, leave a comment. I pretty much get back to anybody who comments. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this build, and I'll see you guys next time.